Okay, five-star team, it's the big one, the Comcast Five-Star Festival. Disney. We're putting together 9 weekends in a row of the best original programming on television. You in or out? It's a special gift, only for Comcast customers. Love that HBO. ESPN Extreme. Annie, show me some biography.
The Comcast Five-Star Festival, TV's best original shows. All in one place, only on Comcast.
Yes!
Saturday and Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern, 5 Central.
Snowing east and west. Hi, and welcome to Santa's Workshop. I'm Dave Schwartz here at the Weather Channel. Denver, Colorado in the deep freeze today. Temperatures in the low 20s. And as we focus in on the snow, look at it. Boy, there wasn't much melting out there on the highway, even at rush hour. Temperature about 20 degrees. The wind was blowing hard out of the northeast. And it's still a rough go out there on 25 and 287. Out on the front range of the Rocky Mountains as we head home from school. Doesn't look like much on radar, but quite often that is the case with snow. Doppler radar shows, well, any radar shows it is much lighter than, say, sleet or moderate to heavy rain. This is snow, and it's coming down here in Denver. We've had 3 inches today. Pueblo on the other side of the Palmer Divide, and then I-25 through Raton Pass here at the New Mexico line was flat out closed earlier today because of all the snow and the blowing snow here too. There are local ground blizzard conditions. And out here to the west of 25 at Cuchara, Colorado, over 2 feet of snow have fallen. That's that champagne powder that the skiers like to talk about, but those of us here on land who are trying to make it through do not like to have. North flow here. Winds aloft coming in out of the northeast, and that's an upslope flow for the mountains here in southern Colorado. It's the perfect prescription for some heavy snow, especially north and east facing slopes. Quite often the mountains in southern Colorado will get pasted with storms coming in from the southwest and a lot of tropical moisture. The opposite is true in this case. Just some high thin clouds heading down into Phoenix, Arizona at the present time. California high and dry. Look at the Pacific Northwest, and all the moisture is sitting offshore. That's part of a, well, kind of a tropical connection. A warm conveyor belt of moist air here all the way up into British Columbia. One upper level low spinning to the south of Anchorage, and another one getting its act together here. But while look at this awesome. That upper low, this upper low, just a tremendous trough. While it's pumping up the warm, humid air, that intensifies the ridge of high pressure over the west. So this is a very stable kind of a situation. It'll stay rainy in British Columbia, showery up here into southeast Alaska and Anchorage and Cordova. Eventually, some of this stormy weather will move in on the west, but that won't be until this weekend. In the meantime, it was dry, it was chilly. 56 for a high in Phoenix. Again, chilly stuff. Tucson only 49 for a high temperature today. 30 at Salt Lake, 25 at Denver. We're in the deep freeze. 51 in Seattle, not too bad once the fog burned off. 58 in San Francisco. Current temperatures, 40 in Seattle. Notice the clouds offshore. Color enhancement shows that conveyor belt of some tropical moisture overrunning cooler surface temperatures out here in British Columbia and out into Saskatchewan. Just some high thin clouds over Seattle and Portland at the present time. San Francisco clear and 51, Sacramento 43, Fresno beginning to fog in now, 37 degrees. Watch it out here on I-5 and Highway 99. As we head south, we've had some very strong winds today above the Malibu hills here. Above Malibu in the hills, winds were gusting over 60 miles per hour as they were in Rialto, California earlier today. We've got a Santa Ana. Dew point temperature right now at Long Beach is 8. And at San Diego, 12. It is just bone dry. Northerly wind flow, clear skies. Watch out for the blowing dust here toward morning, a possibility. Earthquake activity report near Bishop, 3.2, I believe, on the Richter scale. Otherwise, all was quiet here on the Western Front. Meanwhile, all was not quiet today from Lansing, Michigan, where we picked up 9 inches of snow, to Cranston, Rhode Island, 4 inches of snow. But good news for us, that storm is now moving out. Not all of it. Some of it's moving out. Still, we're left with some kind of wraparound moisture into Massachusetts, Rhode Island, into the Berkshires of Massachusetts. There could be several inches of snow before all is said and done here. High pressure, cold high pressure, kept it dry all day. We haven't seen any snow in Boston. Has been snowing out in Attleboro to the southwest of town. We could see a few snow flurries. Snow flurries have moved into New York City, but no accumulation is expected here. Watch out for some slick spots on bridges and overpasses. And then the next storm to watch will be this area of low pressure crossing Florida. Meanwhile, our storm here in the southern Rockies that put down all the snow will move out. We've had a little bit of snow in Oklahoma City. Snow flurries are possible as far south as Dallas here on Thursdays as high temperatures remain in the 30s. So we stay pretty cool. Any changes as we head toward the weekend? Let's take a trip, 20 cities, coast to coast.